First, she denied he was dad. Then the DNA came back. Now she's tossing claims without receipts to shut down his parenting time.
Miss Hewitt concealed the real paternity of Ashton to you. Is that correct?
Yes, and I have that in a message. She would not let me come to the hospital, told me it had nothing to do with me, that she had already DNA'd the father, and I just assumed he was already there. And the other father is actually got a DUI, and the bondsman that bonded her out of jail was the other potential father, and he was exonerated, or when Ashton was 1 year old. I received notice from the Tennessee Child Support Office in February of this year asking me to do a DNA test. That was how I found out.
From then on, you tried to foster the relationship. Is that right?
Yes.
And is that your purpose here, to continue to have that relationship with your son?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to understand one thing, and this is, you referred to child as my child more than once, and I thought maybe I'd emphasize it enough, but I want to make sure you understand. This is the father of this child. You and he had a sexual relationship. Why don't you tell me what it is that you object to him having visitation over Christmas?
He doesn't know Ashton well enough. I don't feel comfortable. And he's just erratic. You never know what it's going to be. And he always takes it out on women and children. And as far as I can prove from his own messages, he's known since day one this is his child.
So it was a misstatement when you told him he was not the father.
He knew all along. He purposely got me pregnant.
The court's main emphasis in all of these cases is the best interest of the minor child. Mr. Fenton says he was not aware that he was the father. In fact, he was denied that he was the father, and therefore he didn't take any steps over the last 3 years until he got notified that he was going to be the father, or that he was potentially the father, and then the testing proved that he was. Ms. Hewitt says that he knew all along he was the father. I'm not sure exactly how she said he intended to get her pregnant and so forth, but they had a voluntary sexual relationship that resulted in a child. That is the immutable fact. Ms. Hewitt obviously has nothing good to say about the man she had sex with and had a child with. I don't have any proof for me that he poses a threat to this child, so I'm giving you unsupervised visitation on Christmas Eve.
Judge, if I may, maybe request that mother just, the exchange should happen at the Dixon Police instead of the father going to house, because in the past, the mother would just simply lock the doors.
That happens, she's going to go to jail. You don't have a choice.